G'day guys, I really should stop playing some PSP and go get some work done. We might quit out of PPSSPP and we might load up our desktop environment. As you can see, we are using the latest version of ArkOS, which at the time of filming is 01142026. If we go down to options, go down to tools, there's a new script called launch. We'll just run that and see what happens. Seems to be loading some kind of a desktop environment. It is a little bit slow to load. It's been about 20 seconds so far. Perfect, it's finished loading. We'll close off the on-screen keyboard since we don't need it at the moment. L2 and R2 are currently mapped to left and right click. The left joystick moves the cursor around quite fast. The right joystick is more of a precision cursor, so it moves it slower. We might open up something. There's not too much installed. Maybe just notes. I've already got a note in there. We might delete that. Change it to high. So the keyboard works. So there's not too much installed at the moment. It's very, very bare bones. It is literally just the desktop environment. The plan was to get a very bare bones desktop environment up and running on dArkOS, so you can customize it to how you like yourself. There's no point installing 4 or 5 web browsers out of the box if you're never going to use them. So I think a minimal install is the way forward. It is still very, very early days, and I've only just got this working somewhat reliably. Occasionally, if you go applications, log out, and shut down, it actually goes back to emulation station, but for some reason it's no longer working. It was working right before I hit record on the camera. There's still a load of bugs to iron out, and I also need to refine the installation script, but I still think this is pretty neat. There are other projects out there, like the full desktop Armbian build for the R36S, which is probably going to be a lot more stable than us trying to install and run a desktop environment on top of dArkOS. There's also the R36S multi-boot project, which does let you run ArkOS alongside something like Armbian, giving you the best of both worlds. I guess the main benefit to this new dArkOS desktop environment project is that you should hopefully be able to get it working on your clones. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get the full install script out, but worst case, I could just create a full disk image of this specific working build here, compressing it as much as I can, and then uploading it. All you would have to do then is change the boot files to get it working on your clone. That'll probably be my plan B if I can't get the install script working how I want. If you were wondering, everything was installed manually over SSH, and it took a few hours of trial and error to actually get it to this stage. I have pages and pages of notes that I now have to sift through to try and work out what actually worked and what didn't. Also, just quickly before I forget, unlike the old ArkOS XORG project, which did something very similar, except for the very old builds of ArkOS, this does not seem to break PSP, and I haven't noticed any performance decreases in any of the games that I've tested, even with harder to run systems like PSP. Hopefully that stays the same when the final install script is finished. I'll definitely keep you guys posted with any updates, but I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.